How to make sentences with the word school. SCHOOL, school. This school can be used as a noun or verb. Here I will try to use this word as a noun, right? So, look, this is the first sentence. I go to school to learn new things. Here, school is an institution, right? When we mean institution for school, we don't use any uh, the or an or a before the word school. I go to school to learn new things. This school is meaning the institution. My teacher is nice at school. At school, right? I have friends at school. School is where we read and write. Look, when school means a place, school means a place. So in this case, we don't use any the or a. School is where we read and write. That is, this school is uncountable. This school is also uncountable. We play games at school. School is fun. That is, school is a place where where things are fun. I take my lunch to school. I use crayons at school. We sing songs at school. School is where I learn ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. Here are other examples using school. School is where I meet my teacher. I ride the school bus to get to school. School has a playground for playing. I learn about animals at school. My backpack holds my school stuff. School has colorful books. We draw pictures in school. I have a desk in my school classroom. School has a big blackboard. I make art projects at school.